Hi everyone, let's get started. Today, we're going through my process for redeeming MyVegas rewards points for a family trip to Vegas. First, we'll start with the room discounts. Since they require the most reward points, the person with the most reward points will use theirs for hotel discounts. As you can see, Mr. Essential has vastly more than I do at this point. This is because on our last Vegas trip, I used almost my entire reward amount to cover our rooms and attractions. And we tend to bounce back and forth that way. Next, we determine what attractions or shows are available for a discount. Now, you might be wondering why decide on attractions and shows before a hotel room. There's a really good reason for that. The strip looks short, but is actually 4 miles long, and the traffic on the strip can be very heavy at times, whether you're driving along the strip or walking along the sidewalk. So we like to determine our activities and find a hotel that is centrally located and hopefully in walking distance to avoid driving up and down the strip or having to walk through a whole lot of crowds. Please stay till the end of the video for my bonus tip on how to use more than 3 MyVegas rewards in a rolling 30-day period. So here we see discount tickets to various shows and attractions at MGM properties. What we will do is choose a max of 3 activities. If you're traveling as a couple, look for attractions that are a BOGO, buy one get one free. That's the easiest way to use the least amount of your 3 MyVegas reward points for MGM properties. Since we're traveling as a family of 4, we look for discounted rates on a show or attraction that does not limit the number of tickets that we can purchase. This is one of our ways of staying under the limitation of 3 rewards being used in a rolling 30-day period for MGM properties. Mr. Essentials and I can use 1 reward each, and the family can see 2 shows or attend 2 attractions. As you can see, we need 2 people with loyalty points available to take advantage of the strategy. In an upcoming video, I will discuss a proven strategy for a solo traveler to take advantage of the MyVegas rewards. For our activities for this trip, my family has decided to use the discounts for the Maroon 5 tickets at Park MGM and to go see the Blue Man Group. These options offer an unlimited amount of tickets to purchase at a discounted rate with a relatively low loyalty point purchase. This allows one person to purchase each attraction using the same amount of points. So now we have decided to use 2 of our 6 MGM rewards purchases for the period. Stay tuned on how we use more than 6 rewards total so we can really enjoy our Vegas vacation. Now on to the best part, the food. Now whether you're a family of 4 or a couple, the buffet discounts are your best option. For a family of 4, each adult will need to purchase a 2-for-1 buffet. Our favorite is the Bellagio buffet. Now I have created a video that shows how much you can save as a family of 4 going to that buffet. If you're interested in looking at the video, I'll have it linked up above, and I will be providing the entire total of what we save on this trip. Now, our running total for MyVegas rewards would be 4 so far, okay, of our 6 that are allowed. So remember that this limitation is to MGM rewards only. This will be important going forward. Since we are eating at the Bellagio, which is more forward or toward the north end of the strip, and attending activities that are toward the southern part of the strip, we now have to determine which hotel discounts to use. This is by far the easiest part of planning. Since most of our destinations are at MGM properties, parking fees are not an issue, so we can choose the hotel that's in the middle of the venues. Since the Maroon 5 concert would let out late in the evening, we choose Park MGM. So here in the app, we see there are 3 different options: a 25% discount option, a $50 food and beverage credit, and a comp night option. Let's look at the 25% offer. Since the concert is on April 8th, which is a Saturday, we decide to check in April 6th and check out April 9th. Park MGM with no discounts is $744 for those dates. For those same dates, the selected room price drops from $744 to $558 using the 25% discount. There is a distinct advantage to using the discount instead of a comp room, and I will get to that in a moment. Now, if you have been enjoying the content or have found it useful, please hit the subscribe button. Next, we're going to talk about the $50 food and beverage credit. Now, the $50 food and beverage credit can be seen in the MyVegas app as well as on the hotel's website. Typically, you can always find a food and beverage credit on the hotel's website. And so, here's a pro tip. Don't spend your points on food and beverage offers in the app. I mean, it's not necessary. You can typically get that same offer, and then you just have more points available to do other things with. Next, we're going to discuss the complimentary offer. So, with a complimentary offer, you do have to have a stay, typically Sunday through Thursday. And whichever date has the lowest rate, that's usually the room the hotel will comp. In our case, the stay starts on one of those days, so they would comp that day. However, comp doesn't mean 100% free because you do still have to pay for the taxes and the resort fee. Now, let's say we do not go to the buffet. Then Mr. Essentials would have only used one reward, so he could then purchase the room discount and a $100 free play reward for that hotel. The reason why he would have to be the person to purchase the free play is because the hotel room would have been purchased under his reward. So the issue with that is this: if you have a comped room, you cannot purchase a free play. It's not allowed. However, a discounted room is not a comped room, and you can purchase a free play. So this is where you have to decide which one you want to do, which one is more important. For us, in this case, it's a family trip. So we would just go ahead and go with our original plan, which is to eat at the buffet. However, if we chose not to eat at that buffet, then in order to redeem the $100 free play, Mr. Essentials would need to go to the MGM Rewards desk and advise them he purchased the reward. So, what are the total savings on the trip? Well, here's the rundown. The total cost for the trip with no discounts is as follows. Bellagio Buffet, $179.96. Maroon 5 tickets, $624. Blue Man Group tickets, $477.80. Park MGM, $744, with a total of $2,025.76. Now, what was the total cost of the trip with the discounts? Well, Bellagio Buffet was $89.98. Maroon 5 tickets, $468. Blue Man Group tickets, $382.24. Park MGM, $558 for a total savings. Well, for a total of $1,498.22. I was so happy about those savings. I was getting ready to tell you early. So the total savings would be $527.24 or 26%. Bonus tip: remember that the limitation of 3 rewards per 30 days applies to MGM rewards only. There are other experiences and offers that are not related to MGM. The Las Vegas monorail runs between several strip hotels and allows you to avoid driving down Las Vegas Boulevard, the strip, which can be very congested at times. They offer discounts on Segway, foodie tours, and the big bus tours that are double-decker buses often seen driving up and down the strip. Now, have you ever been in the app and wondered what that little token with the number is beside the Vegas chip count? So in my next video, I will explain to you how this icon helps you earn more chips and more Vegas rewards to get to the rewards you have been dreaming of. Please take a look at this video, as it is one of the best ways to learn about the MyVegas apps, and thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.